In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send YouTube videos directly within Gmail. This is a quick way to share content without forcing someone to leave their inbox, and it takes just a few simple actions. Start by opening YouTube and finding the video you want to share. Make sure it's the exact video and version you want. Check the title, channel, and length so you're confident you're sending the right one. It's also helpful to verify that the video is publicly accessible, so your recipient can view it without any issues. Below the video player, click the Share button. This reveals a small panel with different sharing options. Here, click Copy Link. That places a clean YouTube URL onto your clipboard, which is the safest way to avoid extra tracking parameters or broken links. If you've paused the video at a specific time and don't want to share from that point, make sure that Start At option isn't selected before copy. Now, open your Gmail account and click Compose to start a new email. A new message window will appear, ready for your details. Click in the body of the email and paste the YouTube link you just copied. You can right-click and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac. Placing the link on its own line helps Gmail clearly detect it. Next, fill in the recipient's email address and add a subject line that explains what the video is about. A clear subject like, Quick Tutorial on, or Highlights from, makes it easier for your recipient to prioritize your message. Accuracy matters here, so take a second to double-check the email address. Add any additional text or context you want to include with the video link. A brief note about why you're sharing it, what to watch for, or the specific timestamp that's relevant can save your recipient time and make your message feel more personal and helpful. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will automatically convert the YouTube link into a video preview in the recipient's inbox. They'll see a thumbnail and can watch the video directly from the email, without needing to open YouTube separately. This preview is generated by Gmail pulling the video's metadata, and it usually appears right away. That's all it takes. You've shared a YouTube video directly within Gmail in the fastest, cleanest way possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.